How to use Photon Sol on Mac. The first things first, all you have to do is just to open up any web browser from your MacBook or any Mac device you have. Now, what you want to do next is just head directly to photon-sol.io. Now, this is where you can actually download the application and just simply choose the link so that you will be redirected to the iOS link. Now, once you've successfully downloaded it, just follow through the on-screen prompts for you to be able to completely done or process the installation method. Now, you must complete this step in order to transfer Sol or other coins in and out of your Futon trading. Once you have successfully installed it, just simply log into your account, then use the slider to reveal and copy your private key. Select the wallet tab, tap on the drop down menu to get to the account selection screen, and then just choose on add or connect wallet button on the bottom of the screen. And that's it. That's how you use Futon Sol using your Mac.